Hello everyone, let's go for shopping. This is the first time I'm visiting a mall after COVID lockdown and corona infection. We are visiting Ambience Mall in Vasant Kunj today and find some good outfits or some nail polishes, some makeup, anything that I like, and have some food outside. Oh, it's been so long. Oh my god. To my surprise, there were very few people, and most of the collection was not very good either. Like few stores like Zara, Pantaloons had some stuff, but other stores had like the old collection and things from the last year. The entire mall was like literally empty. Can you imagine Ambience Mall looking like this at 4 or 5 p.m. in the evening on a weekend? I can't. I've never seen this mall this empty, especially the food court. Can you believe? Like 90% of the food court was empty, and we found seats within 3 minutes. Like entering the food court, there were the seats. But I'm glad everybody was wearing masks and using hand sanitizers. It's time for some food. Chola bhaturas. We ordered chola bhatura from Punjabi by Nature. This is a huge chola bhatura. The size of it, my hand is so small in front of it. And my favorite, BK Classic Veg from Burger King. Oh, I've missed you so much. This is so delicious. And I love white mayonnaise, by the way, in my burger, not the red one that they serve. I specifically asked for white one. Miniso, I've missed you. Oh. But Miniso was not that cute this time. Like, I bought a few things, you can see, and these are hand towels. Can you imagine? They are so cute. Little frogs. I couldn't even imagine like these are hand towels. I thought these were dresses. It was fun shopping. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you loved it. Bye.